another great day of learning. Welcome for today's episode of From Lawn ALS TV. I'm Sir Jovel Tamayo, your ALS teacher, ang inyong kaalsada sa Pag-Eskwela. Join me in exploring the world full of learning and discoveries. Today, we are going to discuss LS2 scientific and critical thinking skills. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the layers of the Earth and its composition. Are you ready to learn and explore? If so, sit back, relax, open your mind, eyes and ears to focus on learning. We live on Earth, a huge mass traveling through space that orbits the Sun. Its single most outstanding feature is that its near surface environments are the only place in the universe known to harbor life. But have you ever wondered what's under your feet? Let's find out. Today, let's learn about the layers of the Earth. Let's start with the outermost and the thinnest layer, the crust. This is the Earth crust. It consists of all kinds of rocks, soil, and everything you see above the Earth's surface. There are two parts of the crust. One, the oceanic crust, which the ocean and the sea zone and around 5 to 8 kilometers deep. It is mainly made of basalt, which is a type of igneous or volcanic rock. The other part is the continental crust, which is what we live on. This varies from around 8 to 70 kilometers and is largely made of another igneous rock called granite. The next layer is the mantle, mainly composed of silicon rock and minerals. The mantle is about 2,900 kilometers thick, which makes it the thickest layer of the Earth, also making up 85% of the Earth's total weight. This again can be split into two distinctive layers, the upper and the lower mantle. The outer part of the upper mantle is like the crust, but much cooler and rigid. The crust and the outer upper mantle together is called the lithosphere. The lithosphere is broken into large pieces which make up its tectonic plates. This plate sits on the inner part of the upper mantle called a stenosphere. The rock here is softer and partially molten as temperature rises to 3,000 degrees Celsius. The lower mantle is just as hot as the upper, the rocks being hot enough to melt the remaining solids due to the pressure being pushed down in it. The lower mantle is slowly moving due to the convection current, which is when deeper, hotter materials rises, then it cools and sinks again. This caused to move the Earth tectonic plates, shaping Earth's continents as we know today. The outer core is the layer surrounding the inner core. It is approximately 2,400 kilometers thick, mostly made up of liquid, iron, and nickel, at temperature between 4,000 degrees Celsius to 6,000 degrees Celsius. The flow of the liquid here is what creates Earth's magnetic field. The inner core is the hottest part of the Earth, with temperature between 5,000 degrees Celsius to 6,000 degrees Celsius. That is as hot as the surface of the Sun. It is roughly 1,400 kilometers thick and is also primarily iron and nickel. The air pressure here is 3 million times that of sea level, which causes the core to become solid metal. For you to be able to understand more about the layers of the Earth, let me show you something. This egg is the representation of the Earth. When we slice the boiled egg into two, we can see different layers: the eggshell, egg white, and the egg yolk. The egg yolk represents the core, the egg white is the mantle, and the eggshell is the crust. I know that you have already understand our lesson. Let's have an evaluation. Get a piece of paper and pen and answer the following. Are you ready? Let's start! Can you identify this layer? Is it A. Mantle, B. Inner core, or C. Crust? The layer beneath the crust consisting of hot solid rock that flows slowly over time. Which layer of the earth is this? Is it A. Crust, B. Mantle, or C. Outer core? The correct answer is crust, the outermost layer of the earth composed of solid rock divided into oceanic and continental crust. Can you identify this layer of the crust? Is it A. Oceanic crust, B. Volcanic arc, or C. Continental crust? The correct answer is oceanic crust, found beneath the Earth's ocean, primarily composed of basaltic rock. Can you identify this layer? Is it A. Lithosphere, B. Mesosphere, or C. Asthenosphere? The correct answer is asthenosphere, a semi-fluid layer beneath the lithosphere. It allows gradual movement of tectonic plates and enables drifting of continents, mountain formation, earthquakes, and volcanoes. Which is the thickest layer? Is it A. Inner core, B. Mantle, or C. Continental crust? The correct answer is mantle. The mantle makes about 85% of the Earth's total volume, starting about 20 miles below the Earth's surface. The mantle extends approximately 1,800 miles toward the Earth's core. Which layer is pure liquid? Is it A. Crust, B. Mantle, or C. Outer core? The correct answer is outer core. The outer core is the only layer of the Earth that is in liquid state, composed primarily of molten iron and nickel. Its liquid state maintains due to the high temperatures and pressures formed in the Earth's interior. How are you? How many correct answers did you get? If you got 4 or 5 correct answers, that's great! If you got 3 or below, don't worry! You can watch again this episode for you to better understand our lesson. Again, I'm Sir Jovel M. Tamayo. Don't forget, sa ALS, may pag-asa. See you on our next episode, hearing from Blood ALS team.